Warm greetings of unity and solidarity to everyone. On behalf of the province of Abra and our Governor Eustaquio Takit P. Bersamin, I extend our warmest congratulations to the Regional Development Council of the Cordillera Administrative Region and all partners who made the celebration of the 39th Cordillera Month possible. I acknowledge our honorable members of the House of Representatives, our host Governor, Honorable Melchor D. Diclas of Benguet, sir, the Chairperson of the Regional Development Council, Cordillera Administrative Region, Honorable Elias C. Bulut Jr., Governor of Apayao, our fellow governors and vice governors and provincial members from different provinces, and also the local chief executives. But of course, we have our ASEC Ana Carmela, ma'am, from the Office of the Presidential Assistant for Northern Luzon, regional line agencies, indigenous peoples representatives, the academe, the civil society organizations, and all stakeholders who continue to work together for a stronger Cordillera. For Abra, we believe that true development is measured by how we create opportunities for every Cordillera. Digital transformation must reach our communities, strengthen our local enterprises, empower our farmers and entrepreneurs, and ensure that the talents and products of our people can be seen and valued beyond our mountains. The Cordillera is a region blessed not only with natural beauty, but with people known for courage, resilience, and unity. Our history teaches us that when we stand together, we overcome challenges and achieve greater things. As we continue our journey toward regional autonomy, let us remember that this dream belongs to all of us. It is built through cooperation, shared responsibility, and our collective commitment to a better future. Let this celebration be a reminder that our provinces may have different stories, languages, and traditions, but we are one Cordillera, bound by one identity and one aspiration. Ti banbantay ti Cordillera ket nangatong ngam nangat-ngatumot ti arapaap ken pamati dagiti tattao na. Ti ub-ubraan tayo ita ket saan lang para kada tayo. Dudigan para kadagiti sumarsarunong a henerasyon. Ay kaysa tayo, agserbi tayo, ken iparangarang tayo ikinapudno. Akat ti Cordillera ket agnaynayon anapigsa. Diyos ti agnina, agbyag ti tunggal probinsya ti Cordillera.
Thank you very much, Vice Governor Ana Marie A. Bersamin, representing Governor Eustaquio P. Bersamin.